Welcome to SoEasy Accounting's Trademe Module, helping you to sell more. If you're a fan of Trademe, you know how powerful it is to sell your goods on. And if you were looking in your products register, you'll probably find that there's a whole heap of products that you sell that you could actually sell on Trademe. But the problem is listing those products. It takes time and effort. But with the SoEasy Accounting's Trademe Module, it's very easy. First thing you need to do is register with Trademe and get an account. Once you've done so, you need to purchase the actual module from SoEasy Accounting, and then over inside your products register, click on products, and here are the current products that I've got listed here. I've got a bathtub and a toilet. I think, I could sell those on Trademe. Let's come out here. Go to the Trademe plugin on the left hand side there. And here, quick look around the screen. Along the top, I've got the ability to select products, edit the listings, set defaults, and then export to Trademe. Let's go and set some defaults first. These are the defaults that will be used when you're actually editing listings or adding an item to the listing. Here, your Trademe membership number. If you want to change that, click on it with your mouse and change it. Default category. Now, categories are the listings that Trademe wants to put your goods and services underneath. And when you click on that button, up pops the Trademe listings. A great way to find through the listings is to hold the Control key down and press F on your keyboard, and then type in what you want to find. Here I can see immediately which listing I'd like to put my toilets under. Here, for example, that's the exact one there, and it is 6982. Click on that. 6982. Now these are just the defaults. For each individual item that you want to list on Trademe, you can change these defaults, but it's worthwhile setting these up first so that when you add an item to the listings, it will pick up these values first. Acceptable payment methods. Hopefully you're understanding Trademe a little bit because you may have traded something on there first already. This is important, where the product photos must be located. It's important to include a photograph with every product that you are selling because that gives the audience the ability to view what they want to buy. And a picture says 1,000 words. The pictures need to be in JPEG format and under 5 megabytes and definitely saved to this location. This location will be different depending upon where you have installed your SoEasy to. Next, these defaults are important. Allow bids from anyone or authenticated members, listing duration, etc. End time usually ends at 8 o'clock, and that's a good time for auctions to end. Buyer can pick up, must pick up, no pickups, etc. Probably this is the most important area here for me to explain. Costs. If you know the shipping costs of all your items, what you need to do is format it like this. There's no spaces between the equal sign. It's $25 equals North Ireland, then a semicolon, and then a space. It's very important to get that format right, otherwise the import won't work. Once you've set up these defaults, simply come back to Select Products. And here, all I've got to do is click on the products I want to list. I can filter the products by clicking on Filter Products, choose Materials in this case, go OK, and then I just simply click on my mouse, and here it's now available for listing. So I've listed 2 products, or I'm getting ready to list 2 products. Next thing I need to do is go into Edit Listings. Here I can see what fees are applicable at this moment. Let's go and have a look why. Click on that button there. Looking through, here's the name of the goods. If you've got unlimited stock, click on here, and SoEasy will automatically bring over the actual amount in stock that you have according to SoEasy. Again, you can change your category here. Title comes over from SoEasy's products register. Description, your products must have a description. If it's brand new, select the little box here. That way you can offer a buy now price. I think this only applies for authenticated members. So here, as we're working through, we can go and make changes in the settings. But down here, I can see what the product's fees are going to be. If I click on the subtitle, for example, oops, spelled incorrectly, doesn't matter. What is important is that you can see how much money this is actually going to cost you to list under normal circumstances. Let's get rid of my little typo there. On the right hand side, I can choose which image I'd like to include. Now you get your first image free, so it's worthwhile putting in a photo. Click on a square there and go and choose what the photo should be. You can add others by clicking on here, and up will go the price. Now these are those defaults. In this particular case, I've selected that I want to edit the defaults for this particular item and choose some different settings. Like for instance, the delivery here is actually $30 for the North Island and $40 for the South Island. And then you can promote your listings. So I might put this on a homepage listing, although not forgetting it's actually going to cost us $39. Bit expensive for selling of a bathtub, I guess. To move to your next product, simply use the arrows down here or the keys on your keyboard. Some important things to note. If you're going to put an item in a gallery, you must have a photograph. I'll show you the result of not having a photograph. We've gone through the process of setting up our products, and the beauty about this is the next time you want to list this item on Trademe, you don't have to re-enter it into Trademe. You just simply come to Export to Trademe, click on the button Export here. The file is ready. Estimated cost of listing is $39.55. Number of listing is 2. Next, log on to Trademe. Now if you've told your browser to remember your username and password, SoEasy is automatically going to bring you to the right page to actually load up your products. If not, you'll need to log on and then come to My Trademe, Selling My Products. There's 2 important sections here. Select the CSV file to import and select images to import. Let's click on here. Very important, find the right location. The Trademe file is listed underneath SoEasy Photos Trademe. Select the Trademe file. Next, select Images to import. If you've got multiple images, you've got the ability to select it and hold your Control key down on your keyboard. I'm going to remove those though because I've now selected 3 photos and I know that I've only selected 2. Let's do it again. TL, hold the Control key down, and there are 2 photos to import. Import method is add and update recommended, and finally start the import. And there they are, 2 products and 1 photo imported. Click on Bathtub Easy to install. And here immediately I can see all the settings that I made. Now the reason that it didn't actually import the photo on one of them was because it wasn't linked. We go to the toilet. Sorry for using my scroll mouse here. It can drive you a bit crazy. No photo selected. so it couldn't import that particular photo and it couldn't place it in gallery. Now we haven't actually actioned the listings yet. All we've done is we've had a little look. They're ready to be actioned. To activate them, select them with your mouse and then activate. I'd probably correct the toilet photo first though, and you're away. Just imagine if you've got hundreds of products that you could sell on Trademe, how easy it will be for you to list them. Because once this auction is finished and you want to change prices, etc., you just simply go and make the settings inside SoEasy and go and re-import your file. So there it is. SoEasy Accounting's new Trademe plugin module will help you sell a lot more goods on Trademe and accumulate more customers. A lot of the time when people actually buy your goods, you can actually add value by providing them with additional services. Although technically speaking, that's not the Trademe way. What you can do is you can actually apply to be a store on Trademe. Worthwhile researching it. But there it is, the Trademe plugin module. Very easy to use and very powerful.